Really quickly, let's go over how to work the extended double crochet. This is a slight variation from the normal double crochet. You might run into it in a pattern, so let me show you how it's worked. The first row here is a normal double crochet, and the second row is extended double crochet. You can see how it's longer than the normal double crochets down here. So to do the extended double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch or chain wherever you are working, yarn over, pull through loop. Now this is the part that makes it extended. Yarn over, pull through one more loop. And then from there, it's just like a normal double crochet. Yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through those last two loops. I'll show you that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through those last two loops. And that is the extended double crochet. If you need to turn or start a row, you can do so by chaining 3. So 1, 2, 3, and that will give you the correct height to get started on your next row. If you like quick references to crochet stitches like this video, please let me know by liking this video and commenting so I can make more of them. My hope is that this quick stitch video series can serve as a reference guide for you if you are navigating a crochet pattern and need to quickly brush up on a stitch that you might not be familiar with or may have forgotten. Because the last thing I want when I'm working through a pattern is to have to listen to someone yap on like I'm doing right now. You can find all my patterns at modernmade.net or Modern Made Shop on Etsy, and you can also find other quick videos like this on my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.